Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2017 Kawasaki Z900 Supersport. This inline four-cylinder naked Street Fighter just arrived with only 7,500 miles. It's got a lot of carbon fiber pieces, adjustable levers, bar end mirrors, and wait till you hear that works exhaust system, fender eliminator. This thing is awesome. Sparkle black metallic. Come on by and make your super sport naked dreams come true for just $69.99. This thing has ABS brakes too. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.